What's up? It's your girl 313 Retro Queen in this piece, and I am back just to let you all know we're on a little hiatus between season 4 and season 5 of Who Has the Heat. So just to let you know, if you haven't seen it on there weekly, that's what's going on. We're doing taking a little break, making a little transition, doing some little rule changes, and see what we can do about updating that voting system. So I am currently on Instagram doing a raffle. I will do the raffle once the slots are filled. I am raffling off a size 10.5 pair of Jordan Royal Toe 1s. I actually want an extra pair. I was helping my cousin out. He wanted to cop a pair. He happened to get his pair, and I happened to get a pair in this size, and I figured why not do a raffle and let somebody cop a pair for 20 bucks. So if you want in on that, go hit up my Instagram and in my DMs. You look on my page, there's information on there. I think currently there are 14 slots left. So once those 14 slots are filled, we will go ahead and do the raffle and find out who is the lucky person to win that shoe for 20 bucks. And you can do what you want with it. You can sell it, you can keep it, you can give it as a gift. It's 20 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Can't get too much better than that for one. What we came to talk about today. So I just purchased my very first pair of Asics. These are Asics Tigers. I am pretty sure that is coming up backwards on this camera. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I am the owner of my very first pair of Asics Gel-Lyte. This is a men's shoe, but it did come in my size 6, so I picked it up. I don't know if y'all ever catch this, but I be on Instagram and I be flipping and looking, and those ads, man, they just get you. You feel me? And you be like, oh, that's nice. And I mean, I don't know about y'all, but this one got me. So it led to me getting my first pair of Asics because I saw it and I just thought this shoe was dope. And I got it for a really good price. So it was on sale, and I think I might have paid like 45 bucks for this shoe, maybe. I don't know, but it being on sale did not hurt either. So I don't know if y'all know, but two things that stuck out to me on this shoe was the midsole. I'm gonna say 3: the midsole, the color, and the inside lining of it. Like this is, I don't know why, but I love this inside lining. See how it's all soft and furry on in there? I mean, it's not real fur though, don't get me wrong. I'm pretty sure y'all know it's not. But I like this colorway. Like, I like this blue on here, and it's a dark, deep, like very deep purple color back here, and it just works. Like, I like the speckles in the sole, and you know, you got that outsole. It is all gum. Look, I don't know what's up with the gum soles lately, but I've been picking up some of these, and I do like gum soles, so it is what it is. Then you got this off-white midsole that starts from the heel and toe, and then it meets in the middle to give you that tan color in the middle of the midsole, and they have black speckles throughout the midsole. And you got that standard, you see, you got the gel here on the back heel for this one. You got that Asics branding logo type deal right there. I am not a pro expert any of that on Asics, so I'm telling you, but I did put this shoe on as soon as I got it. And I mean, I know they're known for being comfort and good walking shoes, but this is a very comfortable shoe. I don't know if this is like, it's not a nylon, but it's just a nice soft material, breathable material on there. All this around here, this is suede. If you can see that, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go. And it's a well put together shoe as well. I like the blue laces, and this only comes with one pair of laces, one set of laces, I should say. You got this tan tongue tag. There we go. I got it. It just says Asics on it right there. And then you got the medial part of the shoe that looks just like the lateral side, but without the gel right there on that heel. There's no gel there. It's my first Asics picked up. It is really cute. Tell me what y'all think about it. Do you rock Asics? Is this a shoe that you normally buy on a regular? Do you like it? Have you not gotten off into it? If you do have Asics, you know what I'm saying, do you rock with the collabs more than the regular stuff? Like, if you don't have Asics, why haven't you ventured off into it? I don't know, you know, I just been spending some time getting off into some different stuff, and I've been liking it. You know, I'm still doing my Jordan stuff, I'm still doing my Nike stuff, but you know, I'm venturing out. I'm trying to get some diversity and see if there are things out there that I like. I'm gonna put this on foot. You know how I do. I'm gonna always show y'all on foot of the shoe, and I'm gonna do that right now.